Hello everyone and greetings of the day. In my today's lecture series, I am again continuing my lecture on the brand knowledge. As you are aware of that India has a great potential as far as the local manufacturing brands are concerned, but many of us people are not aware of that which brand is local and which brand is manufactured by the global and multinational companies across the world. So in this lecture series, I would like to highlight your attention on the Indian footwear brands which are operating in India, and of course these brands are having their presence at the global level also, but taking it as a local brands or the Indian footwear brands which are operating in India. The first brand we are having this Paragon, and the Paragon started in 1975 in Kerala. In the year 1982, after becoming a popular brand in Kerala, Paragon entered in other states also. Paragon's greatest strength is its staff and distribution. Paragon has an in-house footwear design team that creates new designs and models to compete with the market. Paragon's leading product is rubber footwear, but they make sure quality and durability to a full range of other footwear products as well. Second brand, we have the Liberty. It's a well-known brand in the Indian market. If I am talking about the leather shoes, so leather shoes are the USP, unique selling proposition of this Liberty. So a small shop opened in 1954, manufacturing 4 pairs a day in Karnal, Haryana. Currently, their turnover exceeding 600 crore Indian national rupee, and they are among the top 5 manufacturers of leather footwear in the world. They have customers in more than 25 countries. That includes some of the known international fashion destinations like France, Italy and Germany. So Liberty produces 50,000 pairs of footwear in a day, and they have 6 manufacturing units and 6,000 multi-brand outlets and 350 exclusive showrooms with 50 showrooms outside India. And third, we have this renowned brand Lakhani. Yes, in the year 1976, Dua brothers took over their father's footwear business, and today Relaxo is one of the leading and most popular footwear companies in India, and their headquarters is in New Delhi, and they have 8 manufacturing units. So Relaxo produces more than 6 lakhs pairs of footwear every day, and this is again amazing. So Relaxo footwear's range has a fine combination of comfort, style and quality workmanship. A wide range collection of fashionable, colorful, comfortable and durable footwear for men, women and children. Today, Relaxo is the choice of a young India with its sub-brands such as Sparks, Bahamas, Flight, Schoolmate and Relaxo Hawaii Chappal we cannot forget, right? So Lakhani provides this eminent brand with sports shoes for the last 21 years, and they are the largest producers of sports shoes, beach slippers, sports shoes with a total capacity of 55.5 million pairs per year. This is again amazing fact about the Lakhani. They have plants in Faridabad, Haryana, Dhar, Madhya Pradesh, Haridwar, Uttaranchal and Noida, Uttar Pradesh. So next we have this Khadims. Yes, Khadims is a renowned brand. We might not be aware of this Khadims brand in the case of footwear category also. So Khadims was established as SN Footwear Industries Private Limited on December 3, 1981, and in 1993 Khadims emerged as a popular fashion footwear brand in India. Today, Khadims has grown to 799 branded exclusive retail stores across 23 states and 1 union territory. So they have the largest presence in East India and are among the top 3 players in South India. So they have a strong network of 544 distributors, and their core business objectives is fashion for everyone. Yes, this is the tagline of the Khadims, that fashion for everyone, and established an identity as an affordable fashion brand catering to the entire family for all occasions. That's important. Then VKC Pride, yes, in the endorsement by the Ajay Devgan, VKC Pride, VKC Group is a footwear manufacturing company based in Kozhikode, Kerala state. So this group was established on 17th August 1984 with beginning into a Hawaii sheet manufacturing unit. Later on, Hawaii straps were also introduced to the production line, and in 1986 the VKC Group launched the first product with its own brand name, that is the VKC Hawaii, in the market with and daily production capacity of 600 pairs per day. So in 1989 the production increased to 5,000 pairs a day, and by 1996 it was increased to 17,000 pairs. Again, this is a surprising fact about this VKC Pride brand. Next we have the Red Chief. Yes, the name itself conveys that the Red Chief may be the foreign brand, but the Red Chief is a Indian footwear brand, right? So it's a 20-year-old Desi brand. Red Chief has risen a fast-selling leather products including shoes. It's worth to know that leather and tannery is not even their primary business. You would be amazed to know that the only other product they make is a rough hand washing detergent called Ghadi. Again, the Red Chief and Ghadi manufacturer are the same, we can say. So if I am talking about the Indian footwear brands, and we have as many as number of players in India which are producing the footwears, but we are not aware of that which company is producing the which brand as far as the domestic manufacturers are concerned. So these were the famous and popular brands which we are using in our daily life, but we are not aware of that these brands are the local brand and the domestic brands as against the foreign brands availability in a market. So I hope you like this lecture also, and take care of yourself, be safe at your home, and compliance by the rules and regulations of the government also. Stay tuned with me on YouTube also. Thanks a lot for motivating me to do something new and something innovative for you, for your knowledge dissemination.